Alright, today we're going to show you how to charge with Evie. So once you've arrived at an Evie charging station, step one is to plug the charging connector into your vehicle. Let's show you how. There are two types of charging connectors available. The Polestar that we've got today takes the CCS2 connector, which is this one over here. So we're going to unplug that, bring it over to your car, open up the port, take the cover off, plug it in, and you're ready to start your charge. Once you plug the connector into your vehicle, the next step is to start the charge for your car. To start the charge, take the Evie fob and tap it onto the reader on the charger, like so. Once your charging has finished, all you need to do now is stop the charge. So to do that, take your Evie fob and tap it on the reader once more, like so. Then press stop, and you can disconnect the connector. To disconnect your connector from your vehicle, simply press this button over here, and that will allow you to just pull it straight out. Bring it back to the charging station, and that's how you charge with Evie.